Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, nice to meet you again. Now, I want to talk about present future. Present future is for the future action. You make a plan for the future action, and the action is not yet happening, or I can say the actions hasn't occurred. Okay, let's see present future. There are two ways to form the present future. What I know is the first is you use will, and the second one you use shall. And we use will with he, subject she, it, you, and they. And for shall, you use it with the subject I and we. Let's see will. Will, the subject he, the example. He will go tomorrow. She will go tomorrow. It will go tomorrow. You will go tomorrow. They will go tomorrow. And shall, I shall go tomorrow. We shall go tomorrow. From will, those subjects have the same form. He will. And we must pay attention to the verb after will. The verb go after will is verb 1. We must not say he will went. We must not say he will going. We must not say that way. We say it he will go. So after will, you use verb 1. I will study. I will eat. She will come here tomorrow. So here after will, verb 1. And it is same as shall. After shall, you must put verb 1. You must put verb 1. And we shall, verb 1. I shall go, I shall study, I shall drink. Oh, which one is correct, sir? When we use will and shall, both are okay. You say I will is okay. We will is okay. It is not wrong. When you use I with will and you use we with will, no problem. It's okay. But according to the grammar, I don't know if there is a new rule. I don't know about that. And we use will for subject. He, she, it, you, and they. And we use shall, the auxiliary verb shall, with the subject I and we. But it will be okay when you use I and we with will. I will go or we will go. Never mind. Well, this is how to form the present future when you want to tell something in the future. And see here, I make the positive or the affirmative sentence here. And here, he will go tomorrow. Remember, I told you just now, after will should be a verb 1. We must not say he will going. It is wrong. Or you use verb 2, he will went. Okay, he will went. No, this is wrong. Or you say he will gone. Okay, he will gone. Let's say here, no, this is wrong. So after will, you put verb 1 here. And negative sentence, he will not go. We just put not after will, and the verb is still verb 1. You must not put going, gone, the present perfect, or use past tense, no. And you must use a verb 1 here. For questions or interrogative sentence, you put will in the front of the sentence. It will be like this. Will he go? Still verb 1. Okay, will he go tomorrow? He will not go tomorrow. He will go tomorrow. And for shall, we shall, I shall, the form of the sentence is similar like you do for will. Okay, we shall go, we shall not go, shall we go? You put shall for interrogative and you just put not after shall. But again, we must remember after will is verb 1. That's it for present, future. It is also easy. You just review what you have got at senior high schools. See you again later with another tenses. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.